Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to log into hPanel on Hostinger. So first thing first, go to hpanel.hostinger.com. Here you need to log into your hPanel. Simply fill in your email address and your password here. After that, click on login. And you will successfully log into hPanel on Hostinger. If you don't have, if you forgot your password, for example, just click on this forgot password link. After that, fill in your email address and hit send reset email. If you forgot your email address, before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. If you forgot your email address, click on can't access your account. After that, you can select between using two-factor authentication. You can select also I lost access to email or forgot email. So depending on your selected choice here, you can see for a different form here. For example, if you lost two-factor authentication, just enter the email address associated with your account and you can start account recovery. If you lost access to your email inbox, just select the option here, enter the email address associated with your Hostinger account here, and then enter an alternative email address when they can send further instructions to help you regain access to your account. After that, click on Start Account Recovery. Then check your recovery email inbox used here. If you forgot your email address, which email address you use to create your Hostinger account, just fill in an recovery email here. By recovery email, I mean an alternative email address where Hostinger can send further instructions to help you regain access to your account, and click on Start Account Recovery. When you start an account recovery, you will receive a message on your alternative email inbox. You need to click on the Start Recovery email link in the same email message, and you will see a form where you need to fill out following details like a domain name linked to your account. For example, your main domain name you remember using for this Hostinger account, and if you have several domain names, provide any you can recall. Also, you need to upload a document that verifies your identity and account ownership, and examples and further instructions are included in the form. Optionally, provide any details that may help with the recovery process. After that, click on the Submit button. They will receive they will review your recovery attempt, and you will receive a response as the alternative email address within 2 business days. And this is how to log into hPanel on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.